Hello everyone, welcome to another Chainsaw Man reaction video. Got a Patreon link down in the description below. $5 a month for this and many other stuff uncut and unedited. If it looks like a mess in the background, it's because I'm moving in a few days, so I'm starting to pack up and everything. So sorry about that. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into Chainsaw Man chapter 227, The Taste of Shrimp and Blood. Yeah, it hurts. Also, what's the deal with that devil? Oh, I don't know. Yo, who the hell are you? Is it a primal? Maybe. Oh, she threw it and he reattached it. Cool. Are you okay, Denji? Tastes like shrimp. Bang. No fair. Dang. Wow. Sh that was shorter than even last chapter. Anyways, that was chapter 227 of Chainsaw Man. I'll catch you in the next one. So this is gonna be a short ass video because what is there to talk about? You know, Denji was talking about how there was something up with this devil, and who the hell are you? So clearly it's not like a normal devil, and I don't know if it's like dealt with, probably, but kind of weird that Denji asked those two questions. And the only really cool thing was Denji getting his arm, reattaching his arm and throat, and then chain grabbing this locust devil, I assume, and pulling him in, real scorpion like, get over here, uh, to then rip it apart and eat it. And then of course we get Yoru instantly swapping back into Asa to bang Denji some more. So this is really all I can say about this chapter. Pretty cool. But yeah, that was all for chapter 227. I'll catch you in the next one. Have a good night, day, evening, whatever, and peace.